I believe every animal on our farm is important because they are a life and we are in charge of taking care of them. So I really look at every individual as their own being. We have a cow-calf operation. The whole farm has 2,500 cows. So most of our pasture is reclaimed strip mine ground, and that is reclaimed from coal mining processes. Because of our terrain and because of the subsoil, when they stripped it, it's very hilly and there's not a lot of topsoil left, but it becomes open. So it's very good for running cattle on. It's good pasture ground, but it's not tillable. There's too many rocks and too many other issues that do not lead to grain farming. Agriculturally, beef cattle is the best way to manage this ground. There's something about this lifestyle and this work that always appealed to me. It's a joy to raise cattle with my family. The kids really enjoy the cows, and I think it's something they will value their entire lives. My wife's role on the farm has really expanded in the last 10 years. Not only does she do the cattle records, but she does the business side.
As the farm was growing in acreage and in cattle, started working on the computers, keeping the records, keeping all the data on the land. I need to be able to keep track of the data so that we can go back and look through the information. We can look at the cows in the field and we can look at the information on the computer, correlate that, and see how we can improve to make changes.
I believe we put the cows first here. We try to give them the best quality of life, the best way we know how, and the best way we can. We really, on the farm, try to focus on herd health. A relationship with the veterinarian is very important. The veterinarian we use is M. Maurer.
She has an amazing relationship, farmer to vet. She shares knowledge, she's available when we need her. She and Steve work very closely in being able to know how our farm operates, what our needs are.
So I can tell that animal care is important to Steve and Steph, just in how they present themselves around their cattle. They've always got in mind what's best for the cattle. Producers that have animal health at the forefront of what they do, I think they have more healthy animals. They have higher production and better standards. So individual care on most beef farms would start at birth, when that calf is given a tag that's going to follow them throughout their life.
We focus on the cow, and every calf is tagged at birth, and we have started a process here in the last 2 years of EIDing every animal and using that as a tool to track that animal all the way from the beginning to the end. And we retain that so we can monitor that data all the way through. Everything we do revolves around healthy animals, and everything we do as far as vaccination programs, mineral forage maintenance, everything leads back to that cow and having the ability to raise a healthy calf.
Steve and Steph are great producers to work with. They're wonderful people, and they really care about their livestock. And you can see that when we're working cattle in the fact that they can pick out an animal just by looking at her without even seeing her tag. So that kind of tells me that they know them as an individual and just shows that they care.
At the end of the day, it all comes down to the cow. The cows are doing their job. They're raising a calf for us, and it's our job to give them the best opportunity to do that.
This look around the farm brought to you by Ohio's beef farmers and the Ohio Beef Checkoff in partnership with the Ohio Soybean Council. Learn more about Ohio's beef farmers at ohiobeef.org.